organization. Registered charity are charity organization, public foundation, or private foundation that are created and they resident in Canada. And they must use their resources for charitable activities and have charitable purposes. And they must fall into one of these categories. Number one, relief of poverty. Number two, advancement of education. And number three, advancement of religion and other purposes that benefit the community. What are the examples of registered charity? Number one, relief of poverty like food bank, soup kitchen, low-costing housing unit, advancement of education like universities, research institute, colleges, advancement of religion like worship place and missionary organization. Note, if you are operating a charity organization and you want to issue official donation receipt in Canada and you don't want to pay income tax, you have to register to be a registered charity. Let's talk about non-profit organization. Non-profit organizations are associations, clubs, society that are not charities and are organized and operated exclusively for social welfare, civics improvement, for pleasure, for recreation, or any other purpose except profits. What are the examples of non-profit organization? Social recreation, hobby group, amateur sports organization, and festival organization. However, if you are operating a charity, you cannot be considered as a non-profit organization. Even if you are not registered or cannot be a registered as a charity, you can only meet one definition, not both. You can either be charity organization or non-profit organization. Let's talk about the differences between charity organization and non-profit organization. Number one, the purpose of registered charity must be established and operate exclusively for charity purposes, while non-profit organizations operate for social welfare, for civics improvement, for pleasure, for sport, for recreation, and other purpose except profit. And they cannot operate as charitable organization. Registration, the difference. You must apply to CRA and be approved for charity organization. NPO, that is non-profit organization, does not have to go through a registration process for income tax purpose. Then charitable registration number have to be issued for a charity organization, while NPO not issue a charity registration number. Tax receipts. Registered charity can issue official donation receipt for income tax purposes, while non-profit organization cannot issue official donation receipts for income tax purposes. Spending requirement. Charity organization must spend a minimum amount on its own charity activities, while non-profit organization does not have to spend on its own organization. You don't have to spend, no spending requirement. Designation. Registered charity is designated by CRA as a charity organization, while non-profit organization does not receive any designation. Returns. Charity organization must file an annual information return Form T3010 within 6 months of its fiscal year, while NPO, non-profit organization, must have to file T2 return or an information return Form T1044 or both within 6 months of its fiscal year. Personal benefit to member. Charity organization cannot use its income to benefit its member. Non-profit organization cannot use its income to personality benefit its member. Tax exempt status. Registered charity is exempt from paying income tax. Likewise, non-profit organization is exempt from paying income tax, GST or HST. Registered charity must pay GST on purchases. Likewise, non-profit organization must pay GST on purchases. Thank you for coming to my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.